metal table in the garbage. Someone was throwing it out, and I thought it was easily salvageable. So I'm going to strip the top down, repaint it, and add it to my lawn furniture here. Alright, so that's how much I got off of the table, just with a little elbow grease and a scraper. Got it down even further with a little hand scraping, but now I'll take the grinder and try to get the rust down to the bare metal as well. Alright, so I got most of the rust off with the grinder. For the rest of it, it's just residual, and I'm going to take a gritty piece of sandpaper to take the rest off. After I used the grinder and just got in them little grooves and divots and stuff, what I think is happening with this table is that there's no drainage. So in other words, when it rains, the water pools on the table in the certain spots that there are divots and stuff. So what I want to do is make some kind of drainage system for it, and I don't want to change the integrity of it too much. So what I want to do is kind of make the center the lowest point and then drill a hole in the center so that when it does rain, it could just drain through that hole and to the ground, and then not have the water pooling up on the table and the water working on that metal and rusting it again. So I'm going to do that by using a rubber mallet to kind of gently divot the center down a little bit. I'm going to do the rubber mallet first and then the drill. So you can see where I kind of rounded the center of the table slightly, because I still want to be able to stick a drink on the table without it falling over, but I want to make sure that when it rains, all that water goes to the center. And again, I'm going to drill a hole in the center so that it drains. And you can kind of see the arc that the center has now. Center and marked it with a Sharpie. I'm going to tap it with a punch and then drill the hole. All right, let's go get some Rust-Oleum spray paint. I'm going to use some gloss enamel on the table. Well, now all I have to do is wait for it to dry. Well, I brought it to the basement to dry because in the first 5 minutes of leaving it outside to dry, a stupid bug landed on it. Here it is so far.